Good morning, student. So we will discuss the exercise so that you can understand that how you have to tick the answers. So tick the correct option. As you can see, it is visible. Wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is called soil erosion. This may lead to soil erosion, and the answer is deforestation. Soil is mostly conserved by afforestation. The Yangtze River, which changes its course every year, is in China. Afforestation is done, which means growing trees. Now coming to the FIB, as you can see, the first one is running water washes off soil of hill slopes. Second, natural forces like wind, rain and running water helps in soil formation. Plants and trees hold the soil together by their roots. At places where strong winds blow, seeds are blown away along with the top soil. Okay. Now coming to the match the following in the B part. See, पहले वाले part में है that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E, F, E तक part में we will write down the correct numbering order. Loss of soil erosion. ठीक है, तो I am just reading out the number. Fifth one. So planting more trees means afforestation. Second का है third, that is यहाँ से third cutting down of forest means deforestation. Yangtze the river sorrow of China. Soil erosion, that is loss of soil. Soil conservation, that is fourth one, protection of the soil. Now coming to the short question answers. What is meant by soil erosion? It is given on the page number 52, paragraph number 1. Page number 52, paragraph number 1. So you can come to the last fourth line of it. The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. Okay. ऑलरेडी आई हैव गिवन यू द अटैचमेंट. इसमें आपको दिख जाएगा पेज 52 पे D1 जो लिखा हुआ है लास्ट 4 लाइन से लेके स्टिल सॉइल इरोजन. कमिंग टू द बी पार्ट, व्हाट इज सॉइल कंजर्वेशन? इट इज गिवन ऑन पेज 53. okay, I have already given D2 over there. Coming to the paragraph soil conservation, the protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation. Okay. Coming to the next part, that is what is meant by afforestation. That is given on page number 52 of your book, 54 sorry. And मैंने वहीं पे ही साइड में लिख लिया. You can also write down the growing trees, or you can write down growing trees is called afforestation. When is Earth Day celebrated? That is also given on the Think Green part पे. It is celebrated on 22nd April. Okay. Now come to the last part, what the 3S stands for. It is also given in the bracket. Think Green, page 54. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Now coming on to the long question answers. Why do we say that soil is the foundation of the life? It is given on page number 51. Paragraph, that is first paragraph, second line. E1 is written. It supports plants which provide food to all living things on this planet. Thus, soil is the foundation of all life on the earth. Right? Next part, that is given on page number 52. How does water act as the agent of the soil erosion? It is given on the second paragraph. How is soil formed from the rocks? When the earth was formed, there were only water, air and hard rocks. The sun heated the rocks, the rain made from them cold, and the wind blew away them. This continued for thousands of years. As a result, soils are formed. Okay. Now coming to how does water act as agent of a soil erosion? That is given on page number again 52, running water paragraph. E3 is given. Heavy rain causes flooded rivers and running water remove the top soil. Running water washes the soil off the hill slope. Okay. Now come to the next part, that is how is man responsible for soil erosion? It is given on the fourth part. A river coming down the hill carries a lot of mud with it. Upon reaching the plains, the flow of rivers slows down. It leaves part of soil on its way. Over a period of the time, the soil accumulates and make the river change its course. ठीक है, ये था फोर्थ वाला आंसर, राइट. फिफ्थ वाला, हाउ मैन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सॉइल इरोजन. इट इज़ गिवन ऑन द लास्ट पेज of last paragraph of page 52. Plowing of hill slope is yet another human factor leads to the soil erosion. Overgrazing by the cattle also causes a soil erosion. Now the last question lists 3 ways. I have already written, you can write down from here. By growing more trees, second by making embankments, third by cutting the slopes into steps, right. अब इसमें हॉर्स में एक ही क्वेश्चन है. The gardener is trying to pull out the weeds. However, he is apply the great force. Why do you think he has applied much force? पहली बात weeds होती है जो unnecessary जंगली या wild plants अपने आप उग जाते हैं. तो ऐसा इसलिए होता है because soil have the roots. Roots जो होते हैं वो soil को क्या करते हैं, tightly hold करके रखते हैं. It is also given on page 53 के last 2 line. The roots of a plants of these cover crops hold the soil particle together and prevent them from being blown away. You can write down because roots hold the soil tightly. Simple. Okay. So that's all for the exercises. Complete your work in your notebook and submit me on next Monday. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.